The city of Orlando. Florida is nicknamed the City Beautiful and is home to some of the most famous theme parks in the world. These legendary theme parks include Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, LEGOLAND, and more. But besides these world-famous amusement parks, what else is there that Orlando, Florida has to offer? Surely there is more to Orlando than that. So in today's video, we will be exploring the best things to do in Orlando, Florida besides the theme parks. 1. Go shopping. Orlando is perfect for shopaholics because it is a haven of designer stores, discounted outdoor outlets, and enormous shopping malls like the Florida Mall, which offers a traditional mall experience, and the Mall at Millenia, which is known to be Orlando's premier destination for luxury shopping. In addition, Orlando's premium outlets draw tourists and locals because it offers great fashion from different stores at discounted prices. There are also supermarkets like Walmart and Target that sell items that might be unavailable in your local malls. You can also go to the Winter Green Village, which is an area with outdoor shops. It is less crowded compared to some of the malls and outlets, thus making your shopping experience more pleasurable and less stressful. 2. Visit small downtown areas. Orlando has smaller downtown areas that are worth visiting. Celebration, Florida is one of the charming small towns with independent shops, restaurants, and lakes with boardwalks that you can walk, run, or cycle around on. An area with the same appeal is downtown Kissimmee, which has a lovely main street with shops, restaurants, and antique shops, and if you fancy having a walk or a breath of fresh air, they have a beautiful waterfront park. 3. Visit the Kennedy Space Center. Are you interested in space travel and astronomy? If yes, then you should definitely head over to the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex as it gives an insight into the astronomical world of NASA. It includes exhibits of rockets memorabilia that have been previously used on space missions and a bus tour around the facility that enables you to see actual rocket launch pads, as well as the expansive and enormous vehicle assembly building where they assemble pre-manufactured space vehicle components. 4. Visit the Central Florida Zoo. If you have children with you that are interested in wildlife or animals in general, the Central Florida Zoo is a perfect place to let them see these wonderful creatures. This tropical paradise is home to 23 acres of gardens and more than 500 animals. It has an insect zoo, a reptile house, and even a children's play area that allows them to interact with the animals by feeding or petting them. Not only will it be a fun experience for the young ones, but it can also spark their interest. Additionally, it can be a pleasurable and memorable family experience. 5. Visit Gatorland. Want to have an up-close interaction with alligators? Gatorland is the place to be. The place offers a variety of entertaining activities such as animal shows that run throughout the day, a breeding marsh and bird bookery, and a petting zoo. If that doesn't intrigue you, they also have the Gatorland Screaming Gator zip line, where you take a zip line ride over live crocodiles and gators. How exciting is that? 6. Head to Bok Tower Gardens. Looking for something a bit different? You can visit the Bok Tower Gardens, a National Historic Landmark that is the gift of the author, humanitarian, and world peace advocate Edward Bok. It is less well known than other locations in Orlando, but because it is surrounded by acres of citrus orchards, nature paths, and woodland gardens, it is the perfect getaway location for solitude and relaxation. 7. Visit Daytona Beach. The glistening beach, fun water rides, and motorsport attractions in Daytona Beach make it a terrific place to go and have some family bonding. The beach also has a Main Street pier that is an ideal place if you wish for some relaxation on a sunny afternoon. But of course, it also offers appetizing and scrumptious seafood options to quench your hunger after the fun beach activities. 8. Go to the Orlando Science Center. If you want to know more about science and technology, or perhaps have children interested in it, then spending a few hours in the Orlando Science Center is an excellent choice. Through interactive activities and displays, theaters, and live programming events, children can learn. It's a perfect place to introduce children to the wonders of science and technology in a fun and engaging way. 9. Go to Florida state parks. If you find yourself in the mood to go swimming, kayaking, walking, or perhaps seeing some wildlife, there are multiple state parks that fit your criteria. Florida state parks give a realistic, rural, and wild perspective of Florida, as opposed to the sophisticated and polished theme parks. State parks are perfect if you wish to see and have encounters with wildlife in the actual wild. Some state parks that are worth your visit are Lake Louisa State Park, Wekiwa Springs State Park, and Silver Springs State Park. 10. Opt for an escape room. You may have heard of escape rooms before or have seen multiple videos of influencers trying them. If you are in for a challenging collaborative game of solving a series of puzzles and deciphering clues, then lucky you, because Orlando offers plenty of escape room options, with some being more family appropriate than others. 11. Go to Desertland Park. Want to escape the heat and have fun indoors? Desertland Park is the place to be. It's the largest indoor attraction in Florida that offers a variety of fun activities that are perfect for families or large groups of friends. This includes axe throwing, glow-in-the-dark mini golf, go-karts, a trampoline park, a bowling alley, an arcade, and a cinema. 12. Jump on the wheel at Icon Park. Taking a ride on the wheel at Icon Park, formerly known as the Orlando Eye, is a great way to end a long and exhausting day. This iconic 400-foot-tall Ferris wheel allows you to sit back and witness the breathtaking views of Orlando City from within a glass capsule. So if you want to have a stunning view paired with some relaxation, you should definitely consider taking a ride. 13. Go to International Drive. Of course, we can't forget the International Drive on this list. International Drive provides visitors and tourists with world-class entertainment and is brimming with fun activities. From kid-friendly museums to restaurants with crazy golf themes to indoor rides and activities. Foodies may visit the Chocolate Kingdom and Blue Martini, while families will surely like Fun Spot America and Whirly Dome. You can try an escape room with your family or friends, take a ride on the Orlando Eye, as mentioned earlier in the video, or have some fun with a variety of mini golf choices. Not a fan of the said activities? Do not worry, because International Drive is also for shopaholics. It has over 160 stores that offer a wide selection of items and options you can choose from. Their outlets are a perfect place to buy something for yourself, your family, or a present for someone else. In addition, the nightlife is unique and memorable here, with a great selection of bars and nightclubs. 14. Visit the Crayola Experience. From the name of the place itself, Crayola Experience is a colorful and delightful place to visit that offers a family-friendly experience. Located in the Florida Mall, it covers 2 stories. With many activities suitable for kids of all ages, you can fully immerse yourself in the Crayola world. You can give your own crayon a name, design and create your own Crayola crayon, participate in a variety of interactive games, and discover all about Crayola's past. Plus, you can even get to see a live demonstration to learn how these colorful crayons are made. 15. Visit the Orlando Brewery. If you're looking for a place to have some drinks by yourself or with some friends, head to the Orlando Brewery for the best beers in Florida. You can visit the brewery for a free tour at 6 p.m., except on Sundays, and go to the bar to sample some drinks. You can visit on Wednesdays to Thursdays to avail some fantastic drink specials and deals at the bar, or come on Fridays or Saturdays to hear live music. Although Orlando will always be known for its world-famous theme parks, the activities mentioned in this video prove that there is more the city can offer. How about you? Which among the activities mentioned above would you like to try in Orlando? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to get more videos from us. This has been HEL World. See you in our next video.